If you're prepping for CAT 2026, then my dear friend, there are takeaways to be taken from the CAT 2025 episode. You know it. CAT 2025 was difficult and it took the strategy of the best of the students out of the window, and people were really shaken up after that, and all of those things were there. Let me tell you one very simple thing, that my dear friend, your CAT preparation cannot begin by understanding what this beast is, what it requires you to do, and whether it's a beast at all or not. My dear friends, this video is going to be the only video you need to really start your CAT prep, in the sense that to prepare your mindset. There are certain 7 takeaways which you need to have from your CAT 2025 episode, so that you know what is important to preparation. देखो यार, बड़ी सीधी सी बात है, कैट का प्रेपरेशन ऐसा नहीं होता है कि क्वांट आपने स्टार्ट करा, आपने ये सम लगाया, ये सॉल्व करा, ये सॉल्व करा, ये सॉल्व करा, एंड होते गया. नो, आई हेट टू कोट स्टैटिस्टिक्स, बट मोर देन हाफ ऑफ योर कैट प्रेप इज अबाउट प्रेपिंग योर कैट attempt strategy, paper attempt strategy. It's about knowing what is important, what is not important. It's about prepping your mindset with regards to CAT. That is more than half of your CAT prep. So when it's an exam like that, how about we prep for it like that and we take certain takeaways from it? My dear friends, let me now walk you through what exactly these 7 takeaways from CAT 2025 are. If you don't know me yet, I am Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur. I have been the MBA product head at Career Launcher. I am the founder of Creatum, where I help MBA students create fulfilling careers without depending on placements. Now, without further ado, let me go through this and let me tell you, one of the most important takeaways is at point number 7, but all through this you will find a lot of revelation. Some of these things you would know, some of these things would get reinforced, and some of these things you'll be like, okay, I didn't know this. Let me tell you the first thing, the biggest thing which has come up from CAT 2025, that bhai, CAT 2025 felt difficult. It was a difficult exam and all of that things. But I have some things to say. I have my opinion on this, but it's not just an opinion, it's a data backed opinion. See, you need to understand this. There are 3 things which I want to tell you. The first thing which you need to clearly understand is that if you now look back retrospectively, उस समय तक तो ठीक है, चलो हमें पता नहीं था कि statistics क्या है, but अब, now that we are months ahead of that CAT and सब कुछ हो चुका है, let me tell you what the real math is. My dear friends, the fact is that the percentile math barely changes. What exactly does that mean? For CAT 2024, and you would know this obviously, कि roughly आपको कैट में 99 परसेंटाइल लाने के लिए 50% ऑफ द मार्क्स चाहिए. 50% ऑफ द मार्क्स मींस टोटल पेपर अगर 198 मार्क्स का होता है, बिकॉज 66 into 3 जो भी उसकी स्कोरिंग है, देन रफली आपको 100 नंबर या 96 नंबर चाहिए होते हैं 99 परसेंटाइल लाने के लिए. दैट्स द इक्वेशन. नाउ इफ यू सी दिस अगेन, दिस इज कंसिस्टेंट इन कैट 2024. इफ यू चेक, द 99th percentile mark was around 95 marks in CAT 2024, and this was the same in your CAT 23 and 22, similar range में है. The thing is, interesting thing is, now while we are saying that CAT 2025 was extremely difficult and all of those things are there, and that's what happened in the industry that yes above, but the fact is that by the percentile math barely changes. अभी तक 99 परसेंटाइल 95 मार्क्स पे आ रही थी, पिछले साल 85 मार्क्स पे आ गई. अब आप कहोगे सर 10 नंबर का फर्क है, व्हाट आर यू सेइंग कि परसेंटाइल मैथ बेयरली चेंजेस. 10 नंबर का फर्क है भाई. देखो, इन कैट सिचुएशन 10 मार्क्स इज इक्वल टू रफली 3 more questions करेक्ट और 3 less questions करेक्ट, बिकॉज ईच क्वेश्चन इज ऑफ 3 मार्क्स. तो रफली 9 नंबर, अगर 9-10 नंबर से फर्क हो रहा है तो 3 सवाल कम करके आपकी आ गई. Now does that mean, now which means also across the 3 sections, one question each less, मतलब फिर भी आपको उतने ही सवाल करने थे, उतने ही सवाल करके ही 99 परसेंटाइल आती है. परसेंटाइल मैथ तो चेंज ही नहीं हुई. Percentile math had not changed at all. In fact, I'd say this is just one question lesser in each section. My dear friends, the fact is, what you need to remember, and I'll go back to this, that डिफिकल्टी जो है, डिफिकल्टी नहीं है, इट्स अ परसीव्ड डिफिकल्टी. आई टेल यू व्हाई, बिकॉज some of the questions were difficult to handle, but that does not change a lot of things. It still made it similar to what it is. The point which I'm trying to make, my dear friends, over here is that please do not get bogged down when the paper seems difficult. because at the end of the day it is difficult for everybody, which was my point number 3. Difficulty affects everyone equally, which means it's not that okay, you have to do certain extra number of questions. That's that. No, the overall average of the number of questions will remain the same. The point is also what you need to understand, which is the second point which I skipped over here. The beauty of CAT is that this difficulty was not on account of different question types. ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि अरे कोई out of course सवाल आ गए. I think you didn't see my screen. I'm saying that the second point was that the difficulty is not on the account of the question type. What you need to understand is that question types wahi the. Probably the difficulty levels of some of the sets, especially in DILR, was difficult, because of which you thought that okay, ban nahi pa raha hai samay se. That is the thing. The point, see, I would not stretch this point a lot. Your takeaway in this is that, bhai, please focus on preparation, and that's it. Stop predicting difficulty. One of the things which I've also seen a lot of coaching institutions do, that okay, you know what, this year's CAT is being conducted by this IIM, hence we are expecting VARC will be difficult and quant will be difficult because this IIM has historically. भाई वो ठीक है, they are operating with some level of data when they are saying it. I am not even saying कि नहीं सब it is entirely wrong, but उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है. अभी CAT 2025 हुआ, जो भी सब वो predictions थे, ये थे, वो सब it went all down the drain because it was perceived to be difficult. So whatever was the assumption and all of those things, that did not help you. What helped you in the examination hall was what was your level of preparation. That is it. That's why I say prepare well. If you want my help, book a one-to-one call with me. Now though, I have done one more thing, because for the last few years I have been seeing that students have been बुकिंग 1-to-1 कॉल्स विद मी एवरी वीक. मैंने कहा यार एक मिनट, तुम ये एवरी वीक कॉल्स मत करो. अगर पहली बात तो यू कैन फाइंड दिस लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. यू कैन गो टू माई वेबसाइट creatum.co/mentorship and you can find these links that if you want help with your CAT prep clarity, you can go there. Over the last few years, I realized that okay, some students need long-term engagement with me for them to really have some impact from me. I said that okay, I would launch a long-term program in itself. If you go here, you will see that this is a 3-month and a 6-month program. I have got both the options. You can go here and you can explore. The point is not that. The point, my dear friends, is तुम कहीं से भी पढ़ो. Please start preparing now. That's the point number 1. Focus on prep and follow somebody properly. जिसको भी follow करो, प्लीज फॉलो देम प्रॉपरली. एवरीबडी इज गुड. आई वुड गो टू द पॉइंट ऑफ सेइंग अभी तुम्हें लगेगा अपना कोर्स बेचना चाहिए, नहीं, मैं कह रहा हूँ एवरीबडी इज गुड. डू यू कनेक्ट विद समबडी? प्लीज, इफ यू कनेक्ट विद समबडी, फॉलो देम. That's the thing. Now the second takeaway which I want to take you to is a very simple thing, which is also what I have understood, what students have understood from the last few years, especially from CAT 2025. My dear friends, it is this: students who take mocks early have a massive advantage. As simple as that. You might know this, you might not know this, I don't know, but there are 3 things and a takeaway which I have in this case. This comes from my years of experience especially when I was working at CL. Even now when I am personally handling students, talking to them about CAT prep, life prep, whatever prep I talk to them about, I do this. My dear friends, I will reinforce this point. I hope you can see my screen, that CAT is so much more about your attempt strategy than about knowledge. It is about strategy to prepare. किस तरीके से आप प्रिपेयर करते हैं. इसमें ये नहीं है कि सवाल सॉल्व करने स्टार्ट कर दे, आप करते ही जा रहे हैं, वो नहीं है. इट्स ऑल्सो अबाउट हाउ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग, वेदर यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग लाइक अ टॉपर वुड, एंड ऑल्सो वेदर यू आर अटेम्प्टिंग द एग्जाम लाइक अ टॉपर वुड. बड़ी सीधी सी चीज है. इसमें तुम्हें मैं या कोई भी हेल्प कर सकता है समझने में, स्पेशली इफ यू आर अ फ्रेशर. बुक अ कॉल इफ यू हैव टू. सी अगेन दीज थिंग्स, देखो यार, why I don't hesitate in saying book a call and all of those things, because I know if you don't get the guidance at the right time, you will be in a problem. I will not shy away from saying if you need help, please get help. This is serious business. If you're a parent who's watching this video, because I know even parents watch my content, please get help if you think your kid needs help. That's that. I'll get back to this because I thought that was extremely important. The second point which I want to make is that this is true, my dear friends. A big statement I am about to make. Just on account of students who take mocks early, I have also seen this. Students with poor basics surpass the students with better basics than them. That is the power of mock taking. अब ये क्यों हो रहा है? Because वो knowledge का एग्जाम है ही नहीं, वो एप्लीकेशन का एग्जाम है कि आप उस 2 घंटे के समय में आप कैसे सवाल चुन के उसको सॉल्व कर पा रहे हैं. अगर मैं बहुत सिंपल लैंग्वेज में, सिंपल वे से करूं एक्सप्लेन, तो क्या आप सही सिंपलर सवाल जो आपके स्ट्रेंथ एरिया के सवाल है उनको चूज करके आप क्या वो सॉल्व कर पा रहे हैं? नहीं, उसी का खेल है सारा. तो आप एक लिमिटेड नॉलेज में भी ज्यादा इंपैक्ट क्रिएट कर सकते हैं कैट प्रेप में. दैट्स द आइडिया. कैन यू डू दैट? दैट विल रिक्वायर यू to be taking mocks early on, because the more mocks you take, the more practice you'll get to spot the questions. This is just one of the ways. It's also about that, yeah, you get prepared for the temperament of sitting for the exam for 2 hours and all of those things. And the third point is also very simple thing. देखो, attempt strategy भी ना अलग होती है हर section की. Quant की attempt strategy is very different from VARC. If you've seen my CAT prep videos, also see. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe. This is the point. And if you're subscribing right now, let me know in the comments that yes, I have subscribed. Let me know. I'll tell you why. It is important that you commit to the cause of preparation, and one of the signals you can give to yourself कि हाँ मैं preparation कर रहा हूँ, वो ये जब तुम इस channel को subscribe करोगे, you will almost give yourself a signal that yes, I'm committing to my prep. If you've seen my videos, quant में मैं कहता हूँ the strategies to select questions. VARC में मैं कहता हूँ exactly उल्टा, सब questions करके आने attempt, तब तक आपका chance नहीं है. This has helped students. You see the comments on those videos, they'll be like, यार ये मैंने वीडियो देख ली, मेरा काम बन गया. That's the point which I'm trying to make, my dear friends. That strategy is different. You will only be able to refine this. भाई तुम अगर आज मॉक फर्स्ट स्टार्ट करा लिखना, VARC में 24 सवाल होते हैं, तुम क्या कह रहे हो, तुम पहले मॉक से ही क्या तुम 24 के 24 या फिर 23 या 22 सवाल भी कर पाओगे? नहीं कर पाओगे. You will not be able to solve 22, 23, 24 questions in VARC from the first mock you take. No. Probably in the first mock you take, you'll be able to solve some 13 questions for all you know. How do you get to a point wherein your speed increases to that level along with the level of comprehension that you can solve those many questions? That can only and only happen once you've taken enough number of mocks. Therefore, starting early is the only way. This is a golden secret, not even a secret. People talk about it all the time. Start mocks early to build exam temperament, to build your strategy. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. ये 7 takeaways तो आप समझ लीजिए ऐसी चीज़ें. These are 7 mandates, 7 mandatory things, I should say, sorry, that which are important for your CAT prep. I'll quickly come to the point number 3. See, the video is going to be long, but it's going to be worth it. And let me know in the comments whether it was worth it or not. Because the third point which you've already seen is a point which is going to shake up a lot of you. But that is important. See, my job as a mentor is to be real with you, is to tell you what the reality is. My dear friends, the third point is, and it's going to break a lot of hearts, is that English is the silent superpower in CAT. Unfortunately. Fortunately for some people, unfortunately for many people. I've seen this industry grow from a point wherein people have been lying to students that अरे अगर अंग्रेजी नहीं आती कोई बात नहीं, कैट हो जाएगा. झूठ है. अगर अंग्रेजी बहुत खराब है, आपका कैट क्लियर करने का चांस बहुत कम है. ये मैं आपसे सीधी बात करूं. If you want to talk to me on this, again, I would say find a way to reach out to me. One of the ways I have told you, book a call. The reason why I'm saying that is that if you start early, only if you start early, there is a way we can help. There is a way you can improve even in your basic English. The point, my dear friends, which I'm trying to make is, why am I saying English is the silent superpower in CAT? The point number 1 is very simple. It not only impacts VARC, it impacts every other section, LRDI especially. वो क्या सेट में क्या लिखा है, वो क्या कंस्ट्रेंट्स बताने चाह रहे हैं उसमें, वो आप जब तक आपको समझ नहीं आएगी, आप सेट सॉल्व नहीं कर पाएंगे. मैं तो इंटरव्यूज लिखा है मैंने यहाँ पे, मैं तो कहता हूँ लास्ट में छोड़ दो, तो भाड़ में जाएगा. तो लास्ट की चीज है, इंटरव्यूज तक तो तुम पहुंचोगे ही नहीं अगर वर्बल ठीक नहीं है, अगर अंग्रेजी बेसिक लेवल ठीक नहीं है. सेकंड पॉइंट, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, ये है फास्टर रीडिंग, व्हिच इज आल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ हाउ क्विकली कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड एंड कॉम्प्रिहेंड अंग्रेजी. फास्टर रीडिंग एंड गुड कॉम्प्रिहेंशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हाउ कैन यू हैव दैट? तुम किसी चीज को कॉम्प्रिहेंड कर ही नहीं पाओगे एट स्पीड अगर तुम्हें अंग्रेजी नहीं आती, अगर तुम्हें वो शब्दावली नहीं आती, वोकैबुलरी नहीं आती. बहुत सीधी सी बात है. एंड थर्ड पॉइंट भी बहुत सिंपल है, ये बहुत जरूरी है. इनफैक्ट लैंग्वेज एबिलिटी और एबिलिटी टू अंडरस्टैंड इंग्लिश कंपाउंड्स ओवर टाइम एंड स्पेशली अक्रॉस सेक्शंस. आई मस्ट बोल्ड दिस आउट. एक्चुअली आई मस्ट बोल्ड दिस आउट. तो मैं ये नहीं लगना चाहिए कि अंग्रेजी सिर्फ VARC सेक्शन में हेल्प करती है. नहीं, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, इट आल्सो हेल्प्स यू इन क्वांट, इन LRDI. योर एबिलिटी टू understand the questions, that is what the power is, that is what you need to know from this. My dear friends, your takeaway from this has to be very simple, that please build reading habits early. Start focusing on the basics of English. If you want to know how, comment on this video. How, if you want to get your answer even quicker than that, then you can connect with me also. That's a way. One good way to connect with me also, apart from all of these things, I've started doing Instagram पे right now I'm the fastest to appear for. वहां पे कर सकते हो मुझसे बात and we can talk over there. I have a Telegram group also. It's free. I reply to that. I am slow over there, but I reply to that as well. These are ways to reach me. It's not just a call. These are so many ways to reach me. But that is the point which I am trying to make, that it is important that you start. My dear friends, point number 4 is a very important point, because this now takes you closer to your interview and what happens, CAT and all of those things. But this is more about who you are and what you feel. My dear friends, calls are brutally unpredictable. Now we are moving to that stage. That, my dear friends, you need to understand. Actually, I have students from right now in mid-March, and it's a good video to put out in mid-March. There are students in mid-March appearing for CAT 2026 in November, जिसका रिजल्ट आएगा जनवरी में कहीं. वो आज मुझसे पूछते हैं कि सर, माय प्रोफाइल इज दिस, डू यू थिंक आई हैव अ चांस? And all I tell them, please appear for CAT if you are serious about MBA, because nobody can predict where you will get calls from, and there is precedent to that. There are 3 things I want to share with you. My dear friends, even high percentilers miss IM calls. कई दफ़ा पूछते हैं मुझसे स्टूडेंट्स कि सर कितनी परसेंटाइल ले आऊँ तो मेरा काम हो जाएगा. मैं कहता हूँ नहीं बता सकता. एम फॉर 100 परसेंटाइल. आई मीन सम पीपल दे से सर कैसी बात कर रहे हो. मैं कहता हूँ यार यही रियलिटी है. यू डू योर बेस्ट ना यार. यू डू योर बेस्ट. यू रीच 100 परसेंटाइल, and then let your profile and whatever criteria they are having, let that come into play and make you feel कि यार कहाँ से कॉल हो सकती है या नहीं हो सकती. How can I tell you that okay you will get a call at 97.12 and चलो मैंने अगर तुम्हें कैलकुलेट करके बता भी दिया कि 97.12 पे तुम्हारी कॉल आ जाएगी. How do you know how much preparation you have to do to exactly get 97.12? You don't know. कुछ ऐसा होता है क्या कि 98.5 परसेंटाइल के लिए प्रेपरेशन आवर्स इतने चाहिए और 97.12 के लिए इतने आवर चाहिए? ऐसा कोई मैथ है? नहीं है. तो इसका प्रिडिक्शन का मैं आपको फिर बता रहा हूँ. मैं 10 साल से ये कर रहा हूँ, मुझे पता है. इसका कोई सेंस नहीं बनता. इवन हाई परसेंटाइलर मिस सर्टेन IM कॉल्स. इवन डिसेंट प्रोफाइल्स मिस IM कॉल्स. Which means what? If you come to me and say to me, this is my profile, sir, will I make it through? My answer would be in the range of most likely yes or most likely no, but I don't know. Please appear for CAT. Now some students will take it in a very मतलब वैसा वे कि अरे सर अगर CAT इतना अनप्रिडिक्टेबल है, IIMs इतने अनप्रिडिक्टेबल है, तो फिर करना ही क्यों? फिर मत करो. If you think that the dream to get into an IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Bangalore and IIM Calcutta and all of these top institutions is so futile कि it's not even worth the attempt, मत करिए. And if you think that your life can only change from an IIM ABC and not from LKI and Udaipur and XLRI and FMS, अगर तुम्हें ये लग रहा है कि बोर कि और बाकी जो है institutions वहाँ से तुम्हारा कोई नहीं होगा उद्धार, the simple answer is that then don't do it. I also have students like this जिनको मैं खुद कहता हूँ कि the profile and the salaries you are already at, it only makes sense for you to go to ABC at best L. I am the one who say that. So if in your case you think sense नहीं बन रहा, मत करो. But if you think कि बन रहा है sense, मुझे short लेना है, I want to prep for 100 percentile and then I'll see where I will get a call from, then you have your answer. You have to prep anyhow. You have to get back to your why. तुम्हें कर क्यों रहे हो? As simple as that, my dear friends. And again, if you want to talk to me about this, I would love to engage with a conversation. I would love to engage with you on a conversation with this. You can book a call with me and we can talk about this for a very long period of time. That's okay. The third thing is very simple, my dear friends. The best of the predictors beat the predicting tools or the people who come out and predict कि हाँ बेटा तेरी ये हो जाएगी, ये यहाँ पे हो जाएगी. वो कुछ मतलब शीट्स लेके बोलते रहते हैं हाँ बेटा, मतलब लाइव स्ट्रीम पे करते हैं. वो करते नहीं, फिर उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है, होता नहीं है उससे कुछ. योर टेक अवे माय डियर फ्रेंड्स इज दैट अवॉइड प्रेडिक्शन, अप्लाई ब्रॉडली. अप्लाई ब्रॉडली मींस ये मत करना कि जी सर मैंने कैट के फॉर्म में मैंने फिल ही करा था सिर्फ ABC. अरे भैया तुम्हारे लाइफ का जो प्रोग्रेस है वो शायद LKI से भी हो जाएगा. प्लीज करो. मैं तो कह रहा हूँ सब टिक मार के आओ, उसके एक्स्ट्रा पैसे थोड़े ना लग रहे हैं. मत जाना उनके इंटरव्यूज में, तुम्हें बहुत ज्यादा ही लग रहा है. तो मैं तो कह रहा हूँ इंटरव्यूज में भी जाओ, मत करना एक्सेप्ट कॉल्स. You have to understand these things. Please don't be like, I have not applied to these colleges, I don't want to go there. Use them as your mock interviews. Getting to the point number 5, which is also very closely aligned to this, my dear friends, that even, and this is very important, ये थोड़ा nuanced point है, थोड़ा समझना पड़ेगा. ये मैं ही बता सकता हूँ तुम्हें जिसका थोड़ा experience हो गया है अब इस field में, who has spoken to students 1-to-1. Even the strongest profiles feel insecure when they are going for their interviews. मैं बता रहा हूँ तुम्हें. If you are somebody who has a weak profile and you think that, oh, you know what, he is so much stronger in his profile and all of those things, तो मेरा क्या chance है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. And I will tell you, I have had one-to-one interactions. I have been in long-term mentorship programs with IITians, students who are already in consulting jobs. 99 percentiles even they feel unsure about what will they speak in the interviews. उनको भी लगता है सर हमारे पास कुछ नहीं है बोलने को. And then I do my जो भी I help them with my things, and then they feel like, wow, yes, we have a lot of things to speak about. Interviews challenge your story and your life decisions. That is why also students feel very challenged about it. And the third thing is very simple. भैया confidence चाहिए होता है. Confidence comes from good preparation, and when you know what your personality is, what your narrative is. The only takeaway I want you to take from this is that, my dear friends, best of the people which you think have the best of the profiles and the best of the backgrounds, even they are feeling insecure, your job is one and only one thing: work on building your story for the interviews, a coherent story which presents your personality and your attitude really well. We will get to this. I have a full MBA interview cracker program. That is why, that is where I help students with their interviews and all of those things and crafting their immaculate stories. You can join that once you reach that point. But my dear friends, the point is that यार यही कहानी है. Best of the students भी अपने CAT percentile को लेके insecure हैं. सब problems हैं जो भी होती हैं. That's that. Now I'll quickly come to the last two. The last one is very important over here. लास्ट वन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट सेकेंड लास्ट जरूरी है. एंड पता है क्या, लास्ट वाला ऐसा है तो मैं पता है ऑलरेडी, बट वो रीइंफोर्स करना मेरे लिए जरूरी है, बिकॉज सारी कहानी ही वही है. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, द सिक्स्थ पॉइंट इज दैट इन योर इंटरव्यूज, नाउ दिस इज अ न्यू वन, इन द इंटरव्यूज आई एम टेलिंग यू, मेजॉरिटी जो दो चीजें मैटर कर रही हैं पिछले कई सालों से, वो है तुम्हारी पर्सनैलिटी को तुम कैसे प्रेजेंट करते हो एंड कितनी क्वांट तुम्हें आती है. आई हैव टोल्ड दिस टू यू राइट एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ द ईयर. व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू, द क्वेश्चन इज नॉट व्हाट आई हैव टोल्ड यू, द क्वेश्चन इज माय डियर फ्रेंड, व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू डू अबाउट इट. आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, तुम्हें इंटरव्यूज में भैया तुम्हारी पर्सनैलिटी को तुम कैसे प्रेजेंट करते हो उस पे जज किया जाएगा और तुम्हारे क्वांट पे तुम्हें जज किया जाएगा. विच मीन्स व्हाट, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, आई विल टेल यू वेरी क्लियरली व्हाट हैपेंस. देखो भाई, सीधी सी चीज है, पैनल्स टेस्ट यू, पैनल्स वांट टू नो हाउ वेल यू आर एबल टू प्रेजेंट योर पर्सनैलिटी. Are you confident? What is the kind of attitude you carry? What is the narrative which you have about yourself? What are the strengths and weaknesses? What has been your life story? Broadly that. It has also reached a point wherein gone are the questions of tell me something about yourself. They will find that eventually. They want a conversation now. These are the days of conversational interviews. And those are the best kind of interviews. The second thing and the third thing is about quant. Interviews are now often testing your quantitative thinking. They will give you questions on graphs, statistics, probability. तो जो आप कैट के लिए यूजुअली छोड़ देते थे स्टैटिस्टिक्स एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी, भैया वो पढ़ लेना थोड़ा सा, बेशक अभी ना सही तो टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द ईयर तो पढ़ लेना, बिकॉज अब वो इंटरव्यूज में बहुत पूछा जा रहा है. और अब नहीं, लास्ट के कई सालों से, ये भी नहीं है कि आई एम टेलिंग यू जस्ट समथिंग व्हिच इज हैपनिंग फॉर द लास्ट 1 year और सो. नो, इट इज हैपनिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. यू हैव टू बिल्ड बोथ एनालिटिकल क्लैरिटी एंड कम्युनिकेशन फॉर यू टू डू रियली वेल. दिस इज अ वेरी बिग टेक अवे. आई होप यू आर मेकिंग नोट्स. मुझे भी पता है, तुमको भी पता है, तुम इस वीडियो पे दोबारा नहीं आने वाले हो, ये वीडियो खो जाएगी. और अगर तुमने चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा तो वैसे ही नहीं आने वाले हो. आई नो दैट. इसके नोट्स बना लो, इट्स ओके. तुम्हारे पास समय नहीं होगा मेरे पास वापस आने का, वो नोट शायद तुम्हारे पास कहीं पे रह जाएंगे, तो वो जरूरी होता है. ये मुझे थोड़ा तुम्हें बहुत स्टार्टिंग में कह देनी चाहिए थी, बट इट्स ओके. And the last point is very simple, my dear friends. This is the ultimate truth of cracking any exam, but especially applies to CAT, that please, consistency is more important than how much you know and your talent. CAT rewards consistency more than it rewards talent. It's a very simple thing. भाई 3 चीजें हैं इसकी. Please, if you're starting your prep today from 15th March, 16th March, 17th March, whenever you're watching this video, maybe in April, do every day whatever you think you can do it. That is the only way. जो वो bursts of intensity होती है ना, कि अब इस हफ्ते में फोड़ के रख दूंगा, वो कभी काम नहीं आती. डिसिप्लिन जब रोज प्रेप करोगे तभी आपकी स्पीड बिल्ड होगी. अब अगर आपने सोच लिया कि मैं रोज 4 RCs करूंगा, हाफ एन आवर का एक मैं लूंगा एज अ एम एंड आई विल सॉल्व 4 RCs इन हाफ एन आवर. ओनली देन वंस यू रिपीट इट डेली और एटलीस्ट एवरी ऑल्टरनेट डे और वट एवर सीक्वेंस यू वांटेड, ओनली देन यू विल रीच अ पॉइंट वेयर यू कैन ट्रैक कि हाँ यार, मैं स्टार्टिंग में इतना कर पाता था, अब इतना कर रहा हूं. दैट इज द लेवल ऑफ ट्रैकिंग विच यू नीड टू गेट इनटू. आई हेल्प माय स्टूडेंट्स विद दैट. इफ यू जॉइन माय लॉन्ग टर्म मेंटरशिप program, these are the speed drills and the exercises I give my students to do. It is as simple as that. My dear friends. And the third thing is, please create systems. or get a system. My long term mentorship program might be, and I'm using my words very carefully because I don't want to sound very boastful, it might be the best system out there for cat prep, because because that is extremely one-on-one hands-on prep wherein I'm tracking what you're doing every week. Extremely important. But even without that, please set up systems and goals for yourself, that what am I going to do weekly, at the end of the week what am I going to track कि मैंने कितना कर लिया है, ग्रोथ कितनी हो रही है, परसेंटाइल स्कोर्स ग्रो हो रहे हैं, नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस मैं जितने सॉल्व कर पा रहा हूँ क्या वो ग्रो हो रहे हैं, एक्यूरेसी इंप्रूव हो रही है कि नहीं. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, द टेक अवे इज वेरी सिंपल. कैट सक्सेस इज बिल्ड थ्रू steady efforts over months. You know, I've also seen students often brag, oh, you know, we studied for 1 week before CAT and we cracked it. Studied for 4 weeks. Half of them are lies, and the half of them which are true, they are exceptions. पहले तो आधी से ज्यादा लोग तो झूठ बोल रहे हैं. नहीं, झूठ बोल रहे हैं, मैं आपको मुंह पे बता रहा हूँ. कुछ तो मेरे ही स्टूडेंट्स हैं उसमें से जो कि झूठ बोल जाते हैं सामने आके, मुझे पता है झूठ बोल रहा है, ये मेरे साथ पढ़ रहा है लास्ट 6 मंथ से. बट ठीक है, दे हैव अ स्टाइल ऑफ सेइंग, oh, you know what, I'm so great. Half of them which are saying correct, वो भी मेरे students हैं. You would have seen some of them, maybe yes you would have obviously, but they're geniuses. They are geniuses. They have, because they've prepared so well for, say, maybe for an IIT-JEE or for a CLAT and all of those exams in their UG time, that they're doing very good. Or maybe for the IPM exam. My dear friends, these 7 takeaways should stay with you. Please make notes to whatever you want to do with them. If you have to take screenshot, take screenshot. Now is the time. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. That is extremely important. Let me know in the comments. Share this video as much as you can. It's going to help you. It's going to help somebody. कोई तुम्हारे किसी की हेल्प नहीं हो जाएगी जस्ट इस चीज़ों से. पढ़ना फिर भी पड़ेगा सबको, ठीक है. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot and goodbye.